Hello guys, welcome to the season 1 of Amateur Chess League, battle of 32 teams fighting out all over the world. I am International Master Nubel Shah Sheikh, presenting rules and regulation of Amateur Chess League 2020 season 1. 1. Eligibility. A maximum FIDE rating of the player as on 1st September should not be more than 2000. If the player is not FIDE rated, which means if the player is unrated, his chess.com rating will be counted, provided his rating should not be more than 2200 as of September 1st, 2020. And the account has to be created before 1st August with the minimum 20 games played. The player cannot be titled, that means it can be anyone else: GM, IM, FM, WGM, WIM, and WFM. Rule number 2, team roster. The team can have 4 players and up to 2 reserves. So team can be of 6 players, but only 4 will be playing. It's up to you how many teams you have to keep in your team. If you have more players, you can substitute players on different days. The matches will be played of board versus board 2, board 2 versus board 2, board 3 versus board 3, and so on. The board order will be the rating wise. There are no chances that you can shuffle the board order or something. But if you want to change some player, you can substitute. Um, all the communication with the tournament officials will happen through the captain. So you have to make sure that whatever the issue if you face, you have to communicate to your captain, and captain will communicate us, or you can simply write us at corporatechessindia@gmail.com or give an update on Discord. If you want to play some of your players, you have to inform us at least 6 hours before the start of the game so that we can make necessary changes in the pairing and schedule the game accordingly. Average of the FIDE rating should be less than 1400. What it means, you may have the rating of your team more than 1400 or less, but the player which will be playing on that particular day or that particular match has to be less than 1400. Non-federated will be counted as 1000 on chess.com. Blade rating as on September 1st, 2020 minus 300, whichever is highest. For example, if the rating of a player on a chess.com is 1400 and he's unrated player, so in that case it will not count 1000 rating, but 1400 minus 300, which is 1100. Like that, this will be applicable. We have also added a very common rule and to promote women players in the league, that women player will have 100 points subtracted from her rating when calculating the rating team average. For example, the women player has the rating of 1200, she will be counted as 1100 while calculating the rating average. Rule number 3, the league structure. The teams will be divided into 4 different pools having 8 teams each. The league will be played in round robin format, and top 2 teams will be selected for the playoffs. The format is very much similar to the Olympiad. We will have first quarter finals on 18th of September, semi-finals on 19th September, and finals on 20th September. There will be dual knockout, that is round 1 and round 2 between 2 teams. And if in case of Armageddon, or let's say of each team wins 1 round, there will be Armageddon, and the best player of the team will be selected by the captain, and the match will be played, in which 5 minutes will be given to white player and 4 minutes to black, where white must win the game to proceed. Very important guys, a point to note that all the games will start automatically by the chess.com team. So you have to just make sure one thing, that you are in the live session. That is, the web address of your website has to be chess.com/live. You need to be in the remain live section and during the entire duration of the event, so that the games will start automatically by the server. Rule number 4, time control. Each game will be of 5 minutes with 3 seconds increment from the move number 1. Rule number 5, tiebreak format. Playoffs. In the playoffs, if the game ends in a draw after 1 hour, let's say score remains same, then there will be Armageddon, as mentioned, 5 minutes for white and 4 minutes for black. And what will require to win the match, any other will result in the victory for black. लीग में कैसा होगा दोस्तों, अगर आप मैच जीतते हो तो यू विल गेट 2 points for match win, 1 point for draw, and 0 for loss. As simple as that, as Olympiad. For tiebreak number 2 will be the board game points. What are the game points? For example, you are playing, A team is playing against B team, so 4 players are playing. So if you score 3, if you win the match by 3-1, you get match points 2 points, and you get 3 game points because you won on 3 boards. So that is game points. And rule number 3 is Sonia Burger. Even if you face tie between all 3 tie breaks, we will also have a Armageddon in league if required, but it's very rare case. Rule number 6, terms and conditions. It's very simple guys. We have kept very simple rules for you. You just have to be in chess.com live session 5 minutes before the start of every match, and sometimes you get automatically logged off for not being active or being idle. So just refresh your window if server asks so. So just remain in chess.com live. The game will start automatically. We will not be responsible for any disconnection issue or um, on power cutoff or any things like that. It's just responsible to have a stable internet connection. During league stages, any team might be asked to connect to a video chat platform randomly for fair play arbitration, and for playoffs onward, all the players will be on Zoom call to monitor fair play, and we might ask you to share screen if required or we feel some suspicion. So we are very strict about the fair play thing, guys, and all the games will be monitored by fair play team of 3 international masters and chief arbiter which we are having. And the good news for all of you is that all the games of the league will be streamed live on YouTube on 3 different channels. That is one of is mine, on which you are watching this video of Nobel Shah Sheikh. The another one is the Corporate Chess India, who worked so hard for this league, and Chess Dudes by International Master Summit and International Master Sankal. Sometimes, if we feel so, we might ask you for some small interview or something for the after the games. If any player is found to be cheating or any other means, the points will get reversed, and if the issue is so serious, we may even disqualify the entire team for cheating on some particular board. The decision will be taken by the chief arbiter and the tournament officials after several checks. No appeals for cheating cases will be entertained. However, if you have some different appeal about something else, you can do it, and there we have kept a nominal fees of 500 for each appeals. The appeals concerning fair play or disconnection must be made within 10 minutes of the end of each round. We have kept a nominal fees of 500 rupees for each appeal, and it will be refunded back if you found your appeal was correct. We have 3-member committee for the appeals committee. Myself, International Master Nobel Shah Sheikh, I am Sankalp, and International Master Rakesh Kulkarni. So guys, now the schedule of the league. We are going to start the league on 12th of September. We will have Pool A matches first starting 3 p.m, Pool B at 4:45, Pool C at 6:30, and Pool D at 7:50. Then we will again continue the matches on 30th of September, that is Sunday, starting from 3 p.m. until the 9 p.m. The last match will start at 8:45 p.m, which will end around 9 to 9:05 p.m. So guys, we have kept a schedule of the tournament on Saturday and Sunday 3 to 9 p.m. You will be very soon come to know which pool you are in on chessresults.com. We will be sharing all the links with the team captains via email and Discord. Playoffs will be held on 18th, 19th, and 20th as informed earlier. 18th quarterfinals, 19th semifinals, and 20th finals. The timing of the events are fixed as declared. The organizer reserves the right to change the timing in case of any emergency considerations. And guys, one surprise and good news for you is that all the teams reaching playoffs will be mentored by title players. They'll be given training of 1 to 2 hours for each single team reaching playoff. That is 8 teams by 4 title mentors, or let's say 4 international masters. Now the most exciting thing about the league, the prize money. We have double it, triple it for you guys because we reach a huge response from you. So thanks. The teams reaching finals will get good prize money. The first prize will be of rupees 10,000 rupees. Second prize of 5,000. Also, there will be the most valuable player prizes for the best performance. Like for example, best unrated, best below 1500, best below 2000, or let's say best junior, best female. We'll be having 5 different categories which will be disclosed very soon. And also there will be chess.com diamond membership prizes for of worth rupees 10,000 rupees. We will be giving different diamond membership, 1 month diamond membership, 2 month diamond membership, different players depending upon their performance. And also there will be diamond membership for the fans or the giveaway questions and some fantasy leagues. So guys, stay tuned and keep and watch us until the end. That's all you need to know about Amateur Chess League. The games are going to begin on Saturday 3 p.m. See you guys. Until then, bye bye. Take care.